This video is simply on the ML Gateway, and I'm doing a video why this is so good. It's a social media platform where though it's all simply network marketers. It's saying that I'm premium, so I don't even understand that part right there. Saying we're getting 5 credits. I just did a business announcement. I wrote on this program. I did a business announcement on this program, which is a lead generation program that's going to help a lot of people on this platform right here. People, that's why I'm looking for people, partners in major pro leads, where you selling, promoting buyer leads, not seeker leads. And leads is the bloodline of any network market or affiliate market. Anybody that's moving anything online, they need leads and prospect. That's what makes this program so good. It's pending because I just did it. So go straight down there. We go straight down the list. Right here is the lead capture page because I'm premium. I think something like that. You sign something out, you get half. These are old lead capture pages that I had. These are the capture pages you get. Show you guys the lead capture page. It's like 9 of them. So here they go right here. You got a they fill out the form. Let's say join, and the form should come in, opt-in form, right there, and then they show you in the back office who filled out this form. And this is on the text box. Yeah, promote that. China. Dang. Okay. Well, here's all the lead capture pages. They're pretty nice. Pretty done. It's one of the features of Pro. Then you got the members list. You got unlimited people you can talk. But a platform like this, typically for lead generation, you help people out their advertisement. This is a good place to be at. It's hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people up on this platform. I'm gonna bring my partners from Web Talk over to here, and every time you bring somebody in, they sign up for free. You get 10 credits. As you can see, I get credits, 50 credits every month, so I got 688 credits. But I plan on inviting all my friends on Web Talk to here for free. You get 10 credits. I got over like almost 2,000 people. So if I can just get maybe just about 300, well 300 to 500 people, that'd be 5,000 credits. You check your inbox or you message DM one of these members up in here, it's 1 credit. So I can 688 people, partners I can communicate, contact with. You know what I mean? So and you got your messages. That's the member list right here, and you can type in any country. 90 states. Say I got 90 states in all. It's any country, Russia, any country. I just got I'm just communicating with I just got the United States people. But you can you can simply you can message the members, DM members like I did. Whoever this girl is, hello, how are you? May I ask which youth lead generation? Some respond, some don't. Which major pro leads. That's what I just promoting up on this platform. Then I gotta finish out this. Let me see. Let me show you. Because I'm going to do a Major Pro Leads video. See right here. And then you want to go right here. Additional information. This the beauty of this. You can actually promote a business in your file. Video. I got to do the video Major Pro Leads. And then I'm put the website here. And you can do the text, I guess, not really necessary. Put an image up in there. Save it. Put your website. And then you put your video here. Put your YouTube video right here. That's real nice. If you're promoting something, they'll see it. Every time somebody opts into your profile, they'll see it. That's good. That's good advertising. Then you got over here, you got advertising right here. This is also good right here. Campaign, create a campaign right here, and then let's click on create a campaign. Name your campaign, and you can put banner or text. I would say banner or text. And you put your URL right here, and it's one credit, and you push next, and then they'll post it. If it's a banner, I guess they create a banner. It's gonna be all of, either on the sidebar or it's gonna be somewhere in ML Gateway, somewhere on the platform. But it's only one credit. Nice. Then you got your connections right here. There's people that want to join you, on the platform. So I didn't connect with them because I'm trying to get my Major Pro right here going on, and I know a couple of these marketers up here. I know a couple, like I know Angela and Alfonso. He created a bunch of programs. He's very well known. So is she. A couple of them new, others new, but I could recognize a couple of network marketers that been around for a while. Yep, them two I definitely know. Of course, your referrals. Referrals, going straight down the list, and then it's a good platform. It's free to join. You can upgrade anytime you want the premium, anytime. Here's my referral link right here, and be right in the description. Also, say you earn it, if you're a premium, lifetime premium, you get half that. So half of 24.50 is like 12 something, 12.95, something like that. And then you get 5 credits to, that they get 5 credits when they join. You get 10 credits when they join under you. So and then you do a business announcement. I thought by me being premium, I would get 10 credits, but they only gave me 5 for some reason. So I think that's about it. The dashboard. Oh yeah. I'm sorry. I forgot. I forgot all about this. Look, you got your business tool, lead generation capture pages, which I showed you guys. Then they got these free training courses. They're ebook. Network marketing ebook, and it's free. I think this come with free members and premium, if I'm not mistaken. But you can click on this and they'll come up. Look at that. This is free. I don't know if you can give it away and sell it, but they free. You get that in the back office, they free. So you can never get enough, now that's free. I don't know if it's with premium or I think it's with free. Because I'm assuming. Or it could be premium. You'll know when you join for free if you ain't got this up there. You'll know. If it ain't on the dashboard down the bottom. Yeah, I know you ain't gonna have the capture page let you premium. But training courses will be under there. And then it say I got 4 referrals. And that's about it. They always have a monthly contest. Join referral contest and win 3,000. That's who got the most referrals. That's pretty much what that is. Listen to ML Gateway members. It's just unlimited people you can connect with. But I really think like platforms like this, to be honest, you have a tool or lead generation system, everything. Because typically, if you can help these people on this platform with their advertisement, you're in the driver's seat. You're in the driver's seat. You know, unless they just looking for another program to join. You know, if you don't got a program, join Major Pro Lead, and you know, and just sell leads and prospects. Because everybody, affiliate and network marketing, everybody online is promoting something, need leads. That's what makes this program so good. You know what I mean? So it's X not what they can do for you, but what can you do for them? You're in the driver's seat. So you help them out with their advertisement. They connect with you. That's the idea. So I'm looking for partners to help me to help network marketers. You know what I mean? With their advertisement. So for that to be said, I'm out. And have a good night.